Yeah, I'm Mike Vecchione, MarineMax Danvers in Massachusetts, standing on here on the 2019 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. This boat here has got the 90 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. Has the optional transom seats that are removable. This has the 2019 model has the built-in fuel tank now, reversible seat, goes back and forth with storage underneath, with an optional live well there. Moving forward, this boat's equipped with a fish package, which gives you your tackle drawers here, cooler in the front, with a backrest, cushion, and rod holders as well. This boat is also equipped with the split bow rail. Also new on the 17 Montauk is a built-in storage compartment or fish box. And then forward of that is your anchor locker as well. On the port side of the console, there's a storage compartment with a battery switch there as well. This boat is also equipped with the side rails in the aft, and there's plenty of space now to mount the electronics. Any other questions you have about the boat, please feel free to call me at 781-395-0050 at MarineMax in Danvers, Mass. Thank you.